Once upon a funny sunny day on the farm, there lived a chatty hen named Tweetery and a little fluffy baby chick named Tweetera. Tweetera was always curious and loved asking questions.
Hey, Tweetery, what's inside this egg you're sitting on?
Oh, Tweetera, I'm keeping it warm so it can hatch into a baby chick like you.
Wow, that sounds exciting. But what's inside the egg exactly?
Well, inside this egg, there are 3 important parts: the shell, the egg white, and the yolk.
3 parts? Tell me more, Tweetery.
Sure thing, Tweetera. First, there's the hard shell on the outside. It's like our house, protecting what's inside. Then, the clear, gooey egg white helps the baby chick grow strong and healthy. And finally, there's the golden yolk, which is full of important vitamins and minerals.
Tweetery, that's exciting. But why are eggs so important for kids like me?
Well, Tweetera, eggs are like a superfood. They're full of protein to strengthen your muscles and energize you. They have vitamins like vitamin D, which helps your bones grow, and vitamin B12 to keep your brain smart. That way you will be able to do all your schoolwork as easy as chicken pie.
I want to be super smart, Tweetery. Can I eat eggs daily?
Don't be silly, Tweetera. You are an incy-wincy baby chick, and in order to lay healthy eggs like me, you need to eat other healthy food like corn pips or chicken pellets, and don't forget to drink loads of water. Our eggs are the best gifts that we can give to humans for saying thank you for looking after us so well. Humans eat eggs to be strong, and they also use eggs for all kinds of yummy baking, like baking a birthday cake.
So that is why I never will ever get a birthday cake?
I promise you, on your first birthday, I will put a bright candle on your chicky food.
That sounds chickenlicious.
Oh, Tweetera, you're exactly right. You will have a great party, inviting all of your friends here on the farm.
Yay! A chicory, chick party. Let's tell all the farm animals about it.
Great idea, Tweetera. So, kids, remember to eat your eggs. They're the secret to being extra strong and very clever, just like us farm friends.
From that day on, Tweetera and Tweetery spread the word about the exciting benefits of eggs. They also want us to look after ourselves by eating healthy food, drinking lots of water, and watching exciting educational videos like this one. They invite us to click that subscribe button.
Click the subscribe button, and we will see you soon in one of our fun videos, where you will learn loads of new information that will make you the golden egg in your classroom. See you soon here on the Pleasant Memories Education YouTube channel. Chickadee, chick.